Sorry for the quick, low quality video, but I don't think I am quitting. Yesterday, my tablet was taken away for some reason. I don't know, but that's fine. So I guess I come back. So actually, I don't know what's going to go happen. So yeah, I'm not quitting, but I'm not really going to do much on this so, on this channel either. So like, I guess I'm not. I don't know. Yeah. Probably I'm just going to be busy or something, but I may update once in a while or something, so yeah. I'm not quitting. I'm not quitting YouTube yet. Not yet. Yeah. This is just a quick update, I guess. Yeah. I'm just gonna private or delete the other videos that I made about quitting, so yeah. I don't know how to end this, so